rest your body in the crocodile posture. Your feet can be separated and can be turned outwards or inwards depending on the hip flexibility. You can either face the forehead or the chin on top of your hands. Even the side of your face or the cheeks can be placed to feel relaxed. It depends completely on the individual. So we will start with the Cobra posture or Bhujangasana. You can bring your feet close together. Keep your feet relaxed, pointing outwards. Now keep your palms by the side of your chest, close to the middle of your ribs. The forearm becomes perpendicular. On an inhalation, you will lift your head off the ground, lift the chin, lift the chest, and slightly pushing with the palms, create an arch. Go up as much as it is possible for you. If it is possible, you can straighten your arms completely and dropping your head back, creating a deep backward bend. Now, in case you find yourself a bit stiff in the back or tight, you can reduce this posture. So this can be done by going down first. Now you can go down. So in case you find yourself a bit stiff, again place your hands near the middle of the ribs. Now this time, without pushing the arms, you first try coming up with the strength of your back. Lift your head, lift your chest. Now if you are very stiff, just push a little bit so the pelvic region cannot come up. And that should be more than sufficient. With practice, this can be improved. But if you are pushing with your arms completely, push panni kaminga, idupu thookidinga, idupu thookidinga. If you push yourself up like this, your hip comes up and you cannot feel the bend on your back much. So take your hip down, bend your elbows a bit and stay in the back bend. Now slowly for lowering the body vertebra by vertebra, you can lower yourself down. Take your arms back in the front in the crocodile pose or makarasana, relaxing in it. Again separating the feet a little bit and relaxing yourself completely.